Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and volume up, and I should also add you can do this no matter if you have a screen lock that you know or don't know, as this process also allows you to get rid of a screen lock that you may not know. And in either case, you just hold power button, volume up, and this would bring up your boot options. Here you're gonna swipe down to turn off your phone. When it's off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment, you will see the OPPO logo on a screen, at which point let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down till we have our language selection. Next, select your desired language. For me, that's going to be English, and then choose Format Data. This generates a random code right here, so for me it's 1997 right now. So all you need to do is just type it on the keypad. It's random, so new code will be visible here every time you press on Format Data. So anyway, I'm going to click on 1997. When you type it in correctly, you get this pop-up, Format Data, all user data will be reset. We're going to click on Format to confirm it. This now begins factory resetting your device, and at this stage it only takes a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's already finished. Data formatted. I'm gonna click on OK, and this reboots the device automatically, continues resetting it in the background, and once that process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.